Today we are setting up adverts, Facebook and Instagram adverts with our phone. So you click on Meta Ads Manager. You must have downloaded the app before now. You allow it to access your data. So here will be your screen if you have been running ads. If you've not, you will not see anything here. So click on the create button and then you click on the campaign. That means you're creating a new campaign. Once this open, you choose your objective. So we're going to be choosing a sales objective for this campaign. And once that opens, you will start setting up. You start with the campaign name. There are actually two things I do on this first page. That is giving the campaign a name and then choosing my budget. That means setting a budget for the campaign. So I name my campaign with something that will make me remember what this advert is about. And that's why I named it tutorial 1. So now I am choosing my budget. So those are the two things that I do on this page. Okay, then you save. And yeah, special ad category. If you're running a political campaign or something related to health, that's when you need this part. If not, you don't need it. Okay, so from here, I will move on to the ad set level. At the ad set level, I start with giving it a name. And because I'm having just one ad set in this campaign, I'm giving it the same name. And then I move on to the next part, which is the conversion location. I'm using a website that is actually my landing page. And then I move to the conversion event, which is purchase, because I'm actually setting up a sales campaign. And I don't need to schedule the post because I'll let it run till whenever, then I switch it off. Then for audience is already Advantage Plus. So you can see that the location is Nigeria. What I can do here is to adjust the age of my audience. For my product, I want people who are above 20. Then I'm fine with the maximum age being 65. And then every other thing on this page is fine by me. So yeah, placement, I'm also okay with the placement because the Advantage Plus is the Meta AI way of this or tool for distributing your ad. So that's fine by me. So I move on to the ad level now. I give it the same name because I'm using just one ad in this campaign. Then I move on to the ad setup. I'm going to be using existing posts. That means a post that is already on my timeline. So I'll just click on the drop down button and then choose existing posts. So I'll move on to selecting the post now that I want to use for this campaign. So it could be any of these contents that are on my timeline. So I'll just choose the one above is already chosen, but then you can see that I can choose any one which I want. Okay, so moving on, the ad creative. This is where, since I'm using my website as the destination, so I'll type in my website URL here. Once that is done, I'll move on to the call to action. I want people to see learn more when they see my advert. So I'll just click on learn more. At this point, yeah, I'm choosing the page that I want to use in running the advert. So I want to run it on Chinyere Darlene Ezigwe as the page. And with that, I've done everything that I need to do. I'll preview now to make sure that I have filled in all the spaces that need to be filled. So you can see the content I'm using to run the ad. You can see page 1, that is name of campaign. You can see the budget. Then the page 2, you can see schedule, audience, name of the ads set, and then you can see the ad itself, tutorial 1, ad creative, then the identity of the page. There's always more for each page if I want to view more. So at this point, I click on the publish button and you can see my order has been received. It is just waiting for approval, and that is all that I need to do in order to set up my adverts on my phone. Thank you.